Hello! Welcome to a new synth anatomy video. You may well remember that I bought during my trip to Tokyo this little synthesizer, the SX-150 MkII, is a little analog synthesizer which can do quite interesting effect sounds. It's for many people a toy, but for me it's an instrument with a very special character. Beside the instrument function, you can also use the SX-150 MkII as an analog filter. For using this, you must patch here the line in your instrument and then the output in your recorder. I use here the pocket operator tonic. I patch it the output to the input and then output to my recorder. So let's hear it. As you can hear, it's a low-pass filter and it's now not the best sounding analog filter, but it's a nice little filter which is a bit dirty and has a bit of character. So seen it's not the best filter, but for me it's a little cool additional feature of this little synthesizer from Japan. And what is also cool is that you can use the synthesizer still as normal instrument when you use the filter as for filtering other sounds. So you can filtering the pocket operator and play with the SX-150. I hope you enjoyed this little video around the SX-150. I try to release very soon a full review of the SX-150 to tell you if it's worth to buy it for around $30 to $50 or not. And as usual, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a positive thumb and a subscription for more future videos. Big thanks for watching and don't forget to join the Patreon page for getting free stuff like sample libraries, preset libraries, plugins and more, and participate to exclusive Patreon giveaways of plugins, iOS apps and more. Big thanks for watching and hope to see you again very soon in one of my next videos. Bye!